still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new, then my name is Emma, and today I'm going to be doing a very exciting unboxing. So I don't know if you can tell by the lighting, but it's nighttime here, and that is for a reason. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Slokey SkyWays 4070 telescope. So that I was just reading that from the box. I've taken it out of the cardboard box already, but it comes in this cool bag with the brand name on it, so Slokey. It's got like an over the shoulder so you can carry it around. I thought we could unbox it together, because I haven't unboxed it yet, and put it together. And it is a little bit cloudy outside, but I was hoping to be able to at least get it set up for when it's not cloudy, because what's been happening is I got this for Christmas and I've been not waiting to unbox it, and then I get home and it's too late to film an unboxing video, and then the stars look really great, and then every time I'm like, oh, I could film an unboxing video, the stars haven't been great. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna put it together, and then if the stars aren't great outside tonight, then at least it's ready for when the stars are great. So let's do that. So it's got this cool, well, it's cool, but it's Velcro at the top there. Let me just, and then it zips to open the bag. And then inside, let me see if I can do this without spilling everything everywhere, are all of the bits. So let me show you what's in here one by one. So we've got a manual. This is what the telescope is going to look like. Let me take it out because I'm going to need that anyway. Let me know if any of you are into space and stars and things like that as well, because recently I've been really into like space facts and things like that. Okay, so that bag came with the manual in a whole bunch of different languages, which is good. So let's find, this one looks like English. I know it's English because I can understand it. Oh, this all looks like English. Okay, cool. And then I think this is like a lens cloth, so that's nice. Okay, and then in here we've got, it's all held together in here with Velcro too, which is cool. Stops everything falling about. We've got a tripod. I reckon I can manage to put this one together. So we've got a tripod. It's a fairly sturdy one. Looks exactly like our camera's tripods, so I'll pop that down. Let's extend it so. We've got our tripod. We've got this fun wheelie thing. I don't know what that does yet. A little bag of stuff, and then, oh, it's very light considering how big this is, but then a lens. I'm going to assume that that goes on the top, but we'll read the instructions to find out. And then this bag has got this little doofer, these little thingamajigs, whatever this is, and this thingy. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it together, maybe following the instructions. Maybe I'll time lapse that, maybe I won't. Let's see. So after all that waiting and thinking that I wanted it dark to set it up, I actually need it to be daytime so that I can find an object and get the finder scope, which is the little telescope, working. So I'm gonna pause this here, and then tomorrow maybe, or sometime in the week, we're gonna find some time to get this focusing and sorted out so that I can get it ready so that I can see some stars through it. But yeah, it would have been easier if we'd have known that, because I could have done it yesterday, but it is what it is. At least we got it on the tripod, and now we have to do apparently the most time-consuming bit. That's what it said, and then once we've done that, it should be fine. But yeah, it looks cool though, doesn't it? Like, it looks like a proper telescope. So yeah, I'll come back when I'm doing that bit. So we needed to get this bit to show us, like, so there's some people in that field there. Say I wanted to see those people, it would be really hard to do on this because of the, like, magnifying, whereas this is less. Yeah, so I had to get this to match up with this so that I could do this.
So yeah, hopefully when you get a clear night, that's all set up where you can see stars.
Hopefully, yeah. Also, this is upside down when you view it, so that's difficult.
It is difficult, yeah.
But
why is that
don't know. It's supposed to be.
Okay.
But that's my telescope with my phone attached.
That's good because hopefully you can record what you see in the night sky.
It's a bit easier on there. I know that we'll have to line it up properly, but it's a bit easier on there than trying to, like, squint through.
Yeah.
Like, my eyes aren't the best.
I have really trouble to, like, close one eye.
Yeah.
So it's a lot easier.